Singular and plural nouns. Singular means one, like one dog, one book, or one cup. Plural means more than one, like 2 dogs, 3 cups, or 5 books. To change most singular nouns to plural nouns, we add s. For example, 1 pencil, 4 pencils. 1 book, 5 books. 1 teacher, 2 teachers. To change a singular noun that ends in s, ss, sh, ch, or x into a plural noun, we add es. For example, 1 glass, 2 glasses. 1 dish, 4 dishes. 1 watch, 3 watches. 1 box, 2 boxes. So before we make any noun plural, we must look at the letter at the end of the word. Thanks for watching.